So I've been planting around Starling Meadows in these last few videos, but I wanted to show you around Starling Forest, which is my plant nursery, which is about 3 years old, I guess you could say. I've been working on it to manipulate it in the direction of a food forest. This is our little sit spot, and this is what you see when you're in the sit spot looking out. And you can see these willows growing along here. So I'm going to be making a willow dome, and probably this winter I'll pull it all together. So this is only the second year for these willows here. And as you can see, probably 15 feet tall. So these right here, I just planted potatoes, and I had a video, I think it's like the first or second video I did, just shows and explains these beds. And over here you can see my willows all along that far back edge there. They're all starting to come in. These are all willows I selected either for building materials, structure, firewood, biomass. I kind of talk about those in another video too. Let's see, that's Asian pear and some quinces, a bunch of strawberries. There's raspberries back there. This is a hybrid poplar. Yeah, this is a pond I made. I think this is its second year here. I think I really would have liked doing it though without a liner, but I just wanted to make sure I was holding water, which I felt like would have taken a lot of time to figure out how to hold water. So I'm kind of happy we have it, just because it's nice to bring that life in. But definitely could be done better. So we got like gooseberries, we got some plums, got a valerian right here, Turkish rocket, some rhubarb, just a bunch of different, I don't even remember all the names, but just a bunch of perennial vegetables I wanted to try, kind of cool stuff. There's an artichoke, chestnut tree, false blue indigo. You can see kind of a wild area here beyond my annual garden. And today's project is moving some miscanthus grass.